สดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe I'm Nin welcome to my channel today I will show you guys how to make a very famous authentic Northern Thai dish it is Khao Soi Gai which is egg noodles with chicken spices paste and coconut milk This recipe is very easy. We need time to cook less than 45 minutes. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! As I told you in the beginning, for this recipe we need time less than 45 minutes because today I use a blender instead of pestle and mortar. Both of them give us a good result, just different texture. For blender, it will give us smooth texture, but for the mortar, it will give us some little chunks of spices left in the paste. If you want to know how to do that way, it's right here. For the chicken, today I use chicken thigh and chicken legs. For chicken thigh, I cut it into a bite size and remove the bones already. But if you prefer to use chicken breast or any part of it, or you like to change to pork or beef, any, because my paste is already delicious. Whatever meat you use, it will be delicious. Yeah, finally finished. Now let's try. It's been a while I didn't eat Khao Soi ไก่ It looks good. Can you hear that? Normally Khao Soi ไก่ we also serve with crispy egg noodles on top as well. I will try the sauce. It's very creamy by coconut milk. Wow. And I think my paste is a little bit too spicy. So when you do my recipe, I think you should put less chili. Because I love spicy, but maybe too spicy for you guys. Now let's try with noodles. Wow. I love it. And now let's try chicken. This is why I choose chicken thigh because it's juicy and very tender. I will also try chicken legs as well. Haha, since it's here. Sorry, I will use my hand. Yep. Delicious. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to receive a notification when I add a new one. Share this video to your friends and tell me in the comment that you used to try Khao Soi ไก่ before or not. If not yet, you should try. And if you would like to support the channel, go check in the description. I put my Patreon page there. Very important. What's that? Shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye.